Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to the channel, guys. It's another market day, and let me take you around this Efuru market. We're going to be buying so many organic things today, organic food. Market days will always be one of the best days for me because I love to shop for fresh items. If you are looking for places, markets that you can shop for fresh items at cheaper prices, guys, make sure that you are visiting any market day in your location. Today is a full market day, and I have to go and shop for some items that I needed at home. And if you're a wholesaler, retailer, supplier, you can come, especially for people that into foodstuff business. This market can solve some of your problems. They have plantain, they have fresh items, fresh fruits. You can see them, guys. And they are going to be gotten at cheaper prices, especially when you come early in the morning. And this market takes place once in a week, every 8 days. The women always gather here to sell their wares. People from different locations, nearby villages will always come to this market to trade. And also, if you have money and you are willing to buy in bulk, market days will always be the best place for you to come. You can see they have many items. These women, they only come here once in a week to sell some of these items, and they go back to where they are coming from.
Where you pastor? Which one? Your hand said they pay you. Which one? This one. This one. 2.8.
Just that. So they fit them not big now, only fine.
How much is river paying? Scam or cost?
I mean, not give me the.
No, see what I did.
The filter I want to see, yeah.
You don't say my sister live in the filter. Scam. I don't want to get it for you.
Can show the Maggie now kindly?
I bought chicken everywhere.
Do something.
Where will they go, sir? Just this still.
How much for this one?
I give you back for Richard.
This one. Sorry, when you go to the 1,000.
Why don't see who they greet you? No. This one plug am now. This say don't go. I am too now.
Grab these two for her.
You said these two are big.
Now give me better one. I put. For 115.
No,
How much you give us this
I
one?
want 7, I think.
I want 6.
I want 7, no.
Now make I want drawn at 30. And if I go adjust.
Ma, break your own too.
Hey, break them now. This one, how much?
Okay, which one? This one? This one 800.
Madam, carry up mine. See how much last?
Okay, 7.
Big. Big. Find the one we never get now. Tomorrow we go eat them. This one don't eat for ground. You don't eat them. No, we don't eat them today. Find another one. You to say how much they sell them?
Come on, buy for 4.
How now? It'll be 500. Now be say you no one sell for me now.
This one, eat too.
Something not touch am.
We not talk about it.
If you give me that one 500, I carry am to go.
This one.
No be him.
This one 500.
How much you talk last?
I said that 700.
200, now be the difference.
200 not big.
It's big.
Bagara is one. I had the 300 join another shop.
Guys, why I love this period, most of the fresh food are in season. This is season for tomatoes, season for pawpaw, season for plantain, season for onions, season for most of the items, even avocado pear. They are all in season, guys.
This one now.
Today not be a free market. Okay, next week. Okay, come talk like that tomorrow.
No,
This one cost how much now?
now 1,000.
It's still better. Okay, now here you dey always stay.
Now yeah, yes, so.
Just opposite this road. I dey always come a market sef.
Let's go another place. This time soon I don't go another place. And then go the phone. Yeah, they miss am. You know say I feel no quick on now. You say you don't sell now. Oh yeah, play that.
Now, for my friend, 700 last. They pay 500. No come in.
Yeah, now you're gone now. I will wait. You can now say
Who can get this one right here? Wait, you get this one, wait, remember. Buy this one now. How much that one?
I don't break the break.
Hey, start sound again.
One, I be house. One.
What the one? You never reach where they sell them now. Ogo come try it now. Can you try it? Okay. I go buy Ogo abeg. You buy 3, you go now. See that thing, Nabia? Okay. Oh yeah. This is your record now. It was it. This how much?
1,500.
Back again. This power no come.
1,000.
All the honor.
1,000.
For waiting. See 1,500 own. See 1,000. Mama for waiting now. You on way you go 500.
1,000.
Look and well. Which 1,000?
1,500.
Ba, I want me here.
This thing na too so you cook am.
Get here.
How much you say those?
As I said now.
No be melon. Okay, lemon.
Lemon.
What's all you good?
Mama, it's how much?
Where are you?
No, I think maybe that 2,000. Maybe that 2,000.
Somebody money for. Yeah, mama. Look at how much. Serious. Don't get 500. And this one we can't say. Bye. Ọsọ egole.
Osi, and Maria, I want to. Oh, I don't get time.
No, I want to nine me back.
Put am for cellophane. Why they put am for that bag?
Cellophane not big.
So now the bag will come carry go.
Go for big.
No, na dozen nine me back.
Which side will they go? You don't buy? Okay, crayfish or prawn? What's in be that? Okay, the big one. Okay, go.
I want 500.
Okay.
Fine.
This grape, how much, Mama? No, I don't already priced them. Yeah, that place. Okay.
We call it what? Problem of infertility. What thing the local man no born? Woman want to do menstruation, he have a title to give their birth for children. Yes, what they want children. Any woman that do menstruation every month, he have a title to give birth to many children because
Oh my Lord, the best friend.
Where you want to give you something? Just go and try it.